One of my good customers got this F150 a couple months ago. Ended up, looks like he crunched a basketball hoop here, so we're gonna do a little bit of cleanup to it, try to get it looking good for him. I don't think the bumper's dented itself, so we'll probably just trim this mask back a little bit here. It's not damaged terribly, so we can trim that back and save the bumper. That we'll see what we can do. We can polish that out, and then we're gonna have to PDR. There's actually two dents here. There's a dent right here and then a dent right here, you can see. So we'll PDR it out. I'm sure at a body shop you'd be spending about 1,500 bucks. We'll see what we can do for cheap for them. First things first, we're gonna try to remove this scuffing here. Well, we got the mask trimmed back, got the scuff removed. Now we just got to take care of the dent, the two dents there. And this thing will be looking new again without crazy body shop repair. Got it all cleaned up, just got the PDR done with it. And you can't even tell. The only little bit of damage that's left is just right here. I had to do a little touch up on that, but this expels really good stuff. We had a bunch of damage and it was just the mask, so we trimmed back the mask and there's actually no damage at all to the bumper. Got really lucky. Got it PDR'd and cleaned up and it looks new. Did it for under 400 bucks and instead of 1,500 where they were gonna replace the fender and then blend the door, blend the hood. So this was certainly a much better repair than that. We were able to get it done in a couple days instead of a week or so, and for, you know, a third of the price. So you really can't tell much of a difference from before. There's a little bit of damage, other than that little bit of damage to the trim. So hopefully he's happy with it.